When it comes to fixing your credit, some of y'all are making this so much more difficult than it has to be. I get you have thousands and thousands of options when it comes to fixing your credit. You don't know who's legit, you don't know who's a scam. It does make it extremely hard to figure out which company should you trust with your money and your credit. So I'm here to try to make the decision a lot easier for you. So you've got the do-it-yourself like Dispute Beast or even Dispute Panda. Dispute Panda, Dispute Beast, same exact thing. Credit Versio is a do-it-yourself. I would highly recommend any do-it-yourself credit repair software over a company that's going to scam you like Pinnacle Credit Repair, the Credit Plug, or the Ash Kristen Lady. They're going to charge you thousands of dollars. They're going to take your money, run, block you, file FTC reports, file false police reports. They're going to get you in trouble at the end of the day, and they're going to make it that much harder for you to actually fix your credit the legal way and the right way. Now, what makes our company so much different than everybody else, and when I say everybody, I literally mean everybody, is we only work with attorneys. We're not sending your information to another country and paying somebody $5 to do an illegal credit sweep. No FTC reports, no false police reports, none of that. Just the best attorneys disputing everything that's negative, inaccurate, and incomplete, and unverifiable, and even sometimes illegal that's not even supposed to be on your credit report. And this is why you want to work with attorneys. They know the laws better than anybody in the credit repair industry. So, we charge $547. This is pre-litigation credit repair. This isn't none of that bullcrap everybody else is doing, charging you $4,000 or $5,000 for. You pay $149 to start, $199 a month for 2 months, then you are paid in full. Now, the biggest question we get asked is, okay, after we've paid the 3 payments, then what happens? Do you stop working? Do we have to pay more? You'll never have to pay anything else out of pocket after you pay the $547. The only possibility where you would have to pay more money is, for example, my attorneys get you $5,000, then you turn around and you send me half of that. Me and you split any monies that the attorneys get. Now, if they're only able to get you like $500 or $1,000, most of the time I just say don't even worry about it, just keep it, it's yours. And believe it or not, sometimes when they're really, really high, like 30, 40, 50,000, the consumer doesn't want to pay me, and that's fine too. Just know that I do have a right to put that on your credit report as a collection, because it is in your agreement that you sign that we split 50% of the monies that the attorneys get from lawsuits, whether it be the credit bureaus, debt collector, whoever it is. So just keep that in mind. But again, if you're not sure who to go with, just try to do it yourself. At the end of the day, trying to do it yourself is going to work better than going to these people that are out here scamming people and doing illegal credit sweeps. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.